Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Webtech Tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you how to download the Love2Shop application on your smartphone. So let's get started right away. First of all, if you're on iOS, then open up the iOS App Store, and if you're on Android, then open up the Google Play Store. Once you open up the application, just tap on the search box and then simply type in Love2Shop and start the search. Once you find the application, just go ahead and tap on the install button, and this will begin the download and installation of the app. Wait for a while until the installation is complete, and when you see the open button, you can just go ahead and tap on it to open up the app. And now you can start using the Love2Shop application on your smartphone for shopping. Go ahead and log in or sign up to your account, and you can enjoy the application to shop from your phone. And that is how easy it is to download and install the Love2Shop application on your smartphone. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.